Hey guys, welcome back to yet another trip report. Today we'll be flying on the American Airlines 777-300ER from Chicago O'Hare International Airport to Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. Thanks for coming. On board now, the legroom is good, and it looks to be a bit dreary outside. Our flight today will take us through Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, barely going to Oklahoma, and then into Texas and descend into Dallas.
The flight vest will be distributed by the flight attendant. The safety instruction card shows how to use the vest. The crew will now be coming through to your final cabin check.
Pushing back for Dallas, and we actually got delayed 3 hours and had to unboard and then reboard, but it didn't affect too many people and we got on our way to Dallas. Taking a look at the entertainment system, there's plenty of movies, TV shows, and games that'll keep you busy throughout the flight. There's also a live map that you can track the progress of your flight throughout the flight. Taking a look around the cabin, this aircraft holds 310 passengers. About 30 minutes after departure, drinks are distributed by the cabin crew. Snacks are available also for purchase. Approaching Dallas, and I want to thank American Airlines for a great experience and a great flight. The cabin crew was very nice and made up for the delay, treated everybody very well. The drinks were fine, and I would recommend flying American to anybody. Thanks again, American, for the ride, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.